Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Worldai token. Now the Worldai token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It's actually their primary listing, brand new token here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Worldai token. So name of the token is World and then a space AI, but ticker symbol is Worldai, all one word. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, August 16th. Deposits open August 16th and trading opens actually August 17th. So you won't actually be able to buy and sell the token until August 17th. But it says here their primary listing is going to be on Bitmart. So deposits August 16th and trading August 17th at 9 a.m. UTC time. You can get this token off of Bitmart. Now, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you could just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Then you would open an account, fund your account with USDT, because that's what this token is paired with. Go into the trade section, search Worldai, all one word, that's the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. This is on the Binance Smart Chain, this token. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this token at WorldaiBNB on Twitter. So primary listing here is on Bitmart, so that's pretty cool. Their Twitter actually already has 19,700 followers. And basically their newest tweet here from 2 hours ago, it says, #1 central exchange listing announced. Worldai is the future of alternate reality. So yes, and they're talking about their Bitmart listing all over their Twitter here. Now, if you want to find information about this token, you can head over to their webpage, worldai.global. Over there they have token information, value proposition, AI solutions, join Worldai, community engagement. You can check out their BSC scan. They have their full white papers available on here, all sorts of stuff. So Worldai, imagine, innovate, ignite. So Worldai is a blockchain-based consulting platform for the field of artificial intelligence. By combining Web3 and technology and AI, Worldai focuses on establishment of complete data consultation platform that provides convenient blockchain consultation channels for the cryptocurrency market. With Worldai, users can access a wealth of information and expert advice on the latest developments and applications of AI, helping them make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Worldai aims to create a gateway to the world of artificial intelligence, making it accessible and easy to navigate for everyone. It allows users to monetize their computing power and to access on-demand cloud computing resources. So it says their goal, the world of artificial intelligence is ever growing and focuses to transform every aspect of our lives. However, the adoption and integration of AI technology can be challenging for many businesses and individuals. The lack of accessibility and reliable AI expertise creates barriers for those who want to leverage the power of AI to drive innovation and growth. Worldai aims to encounter these barriers and democratize access to AI expertise. The goal is to create a blockchain consulting platform that provides convenient and reliable AI consultation services to individuals and businesses worldwide. Our platform leverages the latest AI algorithms and models to deliver personalized insights and recommendations to our clients, helping them unlock the full potential of AI. So their vision, Worldai aims to meet requirements as delivering intelligent services to corporations, other organizations, and individuals, fostering the emergence of increasingly powerful distributed general intelligence, deploying artificial intelligence for the ever-increasing benefit to as many humans and other sentient beings as possible. Worldai is designed to lay the groundwork for the emergence of self-modifying, decentralized, artificial cognitive organism, which will eventually have the potential for general intelligence and beneficial ethical characteristics beyond the human level. It is a practical design inspired by long theoretical thinking and prototyping by our founders regarding artificial general intelligence and open-ended intelligence. Our mission is to create a gateway of reliable, empowering AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise and financial resources. We are committed to breaking down the barriers that prevent people from accessing the benefits of AI and empowering our clients with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed from the rapidly evolving world of AI. Worldai involves leveraging social media, media coverage, and conferences to increase brand awareness and adoption of the ecosystem. The project will also actively engage with its community through various initiatives and educational campaigns to increase awareness about AI and blockchain technology. Worldai will have active social media channels including Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, and Medium to engage with the community and share updates about the project's development. It will also leverage influencer marketing to reach a wider audience and increase engagement of its social media channels. It will actively engage with the community through various initiatives, including a bug bounty program, referral program, and loyalty program, and it will also launch educational campaigns to increase awareness about the benefits and potential of AI and blockchain technology. So their value proposition for Worldai is number 1, improved efficiency and productivity. Number 2, enhanced decision-making. Number 3, advanced personalization. Number 4, innovation and opportunities. Enhanced user experience and competitive advantage. So the Worldai token is a utility token. So you could use it for the AI marketplace transactions, global access to AI services, and future autonomous AI interaction. Also governance and voting. So you're going to have decision-making power on the platform. Staking, you can stake the tokens and be compensated for your contributions. And there's going to be ecosystem airdrops. So besides that, the use cases for their application is going to be visual effects and motion graphics, virtual production, virtual assets, and non-fungible tokens, aka NFTs. And they're going to make things easier like gaming, augmented reality, architecture, visualization, project mapping, product design, and AI itself. So there's going to be AMAs, rewards and incentives, community feedback, communication. Check all of this out at worldai.global. And you can find this token newly listed within the next day or two here on Bitmart. So check out Bitmart as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.